Sometimes it's good to appreciate. Sometimes person do something for you. Learn how to dey appreciate. Yeah? All these things they cause problem today. You see people wey dey do good before, they don't want to do good again because of say people know they appreciate. Learn how to appreciate. We should learn how to appreciate. Even though na small one the person give you, learn how to appreciate. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. I really appreciate you for coming back again. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just press that notification bell for the bank account so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. And subscribe, like, and share. You know what they do now. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. In today's video, we'll be talking about ungrateful people. Ungrateful people. Why I use that word ungrateful? Because people just did this word, they don't like to appreciate things. You go see good thing, you don't go appreciate them. Somebody will help you, you don't go appreciate them. If they're not still for you, you go begin to curse the person. They give them bad names. We should learn how to appreciate. No matter how the thing is small or rich, we will learn how to appreciate. Somebody will just wake up in the morning, carry phone, call brother for Europe, I've been call sister for Europe. You know, the first thing you're supposed to say, good morning, yo. How you day? How are you doing? How are you feeling? How is your well-being? How's the kids doing? No. You will just hear. Hungry won't finish us, so food not there, oh. I bet we need money, oh. I bet we need a na because hungry won't kill us. Now you put the money for the person's pocket. Now you put the money for the person's pocket. You don't even care if this person has eaten. You don't even care if the person is okay. You don't even care if the person is alive, as in if it's healthy, if whether way for the way they call it, whether in the hospital the person there, be something happen. No, you don't know the good way to talk to somebody. As if they just put the thing for the person pocket. No. After everybody giving you this money, you will not appreciate. And they will not call your line again. No. Till maybe another 1 month time again. After the money don't expire now. They don't finish, they just squander the money. They will not call you again. Sister, good afternoon. How that side now? I just miss you now, say make I call you. My daughter never pays school fees, so. But the way we did they talk sometimes, this math sometimes they put people for trouble. This math sometimes will make person will not even go fine, say can't give you. We not go just care whether the person is so fine, whether the person is healthy, whether this person is okay, whether they are doing fine, whether the person even lost the job. We not care. They will just carry phone. I bet we need money. Oh. Like seriously? This is not good now. We should learn how to be grateful. We should learn how to appreciate these people. This is a Europe now, just where they put the tree for our city room. May they put the tree, let there be this tree in Jesus' name in our city room. So, but they don't know the stress people pass through daily just to do or their daily bread, you know. No, they don't care. They will just carry phone, call you. I bet papa they sick, and mama they sick. Like seriously? They don't even ask you how are you doing, no. You don't consign them. So for me, you just bring the money. No. In life, people should appreciate. People should learn how to have good communication, as in good manners, to talk to somebody, to communicate. I have a friend the other time, she was complaining to me because the same issue. This one is getting too much. Your own sister opened a business for you. You don't know where your sister get this money from. Then now you are even depriving her of seeing the business she opened for you. Like seriously? Then you see many people today, they know they do good again. No? Many people know they like to do all these things again because they don't tire. They don't tire. The country where I was before, I remember a lady was also crying on the street. Sister, what happened? She built a house, so she used her sweat, her strength, her everything, her energy, her effort take build house. Finish, oh, then she don't know say na fake picture, they come the send come give am. She go Nigeria now, say me she go see her house. They not see house, give our sister. Oh. Why are we doing these things? Why? Why we know they contented? Why? I mean, it is this Europe just the easy for everybody. It's not like that the way you guys seeing it. You see somebody wake up in the morning for cold time or cold season I'm talking about. You go wear first cloth, you go wear second cloth, you go wear top, they will come wear jacket on top. This kind of dressing on the surprise you now. But now in Nigeria now wear singlet now go to stroll for street. Please, we should learn how to be grateful, as in appreciate people, appreciate your families, appreciate your loved ones, appreciate people around you. Because this world, what would they so? Now global world we do. Anything when you do for this life, if you do good, it will come back to you. If you do bad, it will come back to you. We should learn how to appreciate. We should learn how to be grateful. Yeah? This is not good. This is not good. You send somebody send you money, now this more money bring come for me. Do you know how that person is living? Let me give you one example of myself. I just moved into a new country 2 years ago now. I'm in a new country. I was okay where I was though, just because of the economic system. I was working, I was okay. I have my own place, I was staying, I was living fine. But just because of the economic system and everything really was not working the way I wanted. So I just decided to change a country. So the first time I came to this place, I would go to an office, I don't understand the language. And they would just shout. The first time the lady shouted at me, as I was going on the street, I was crying, you know. I was crying. Because the way she shouted, you know when that kind of group line now, people line up, now you next person, you go. See what you want. You speak up for English. They know they hear English. Not be say they know they hear, they just want you to speak their language. But the way this woman addressed me, they look at the, as in, I was ashamed of myself. But I don't carry phone. As I come out, I started crying, but I don't carry phone. I can't call my papa for house. Or call my family member for house, say, oh, see what did happen to me, Muna say, I don't know what the person they pass through for here. Just imagine you go to no man's land. You think it's easy for somebody to leave Nigeria, our country, to another man's land without no father, no mother, no brother, no sister, not even relation. Then you will still come here, come see the sofa, you go to beer, you know, you call them for us, because even though you call them for us, they don't get anything to offer you. The only thing they say, don't do. Finish. They don't get any other thing to tell you. Then after this person now don't do this small, maybe don't see small thing when they do. Say, my father, you go even still remember now. Make una take this one, take it today. Make una take this one, take it today. Una go see they complain. See, no rich now. This small thing I say can't give me. This small thing. Hey, please, let's be grateful. More will learn how to appreciate people. More will learn how to love one another. More will learn how to appreciate. Even though small thing the brother give you or the sister give you, manage them. If it better for that sister, it go reach you on side. You see many people today, they know they do good again. No, they don't tire. They don't tire because they don't give up. Say waiting. Don't believe they come this like all carry people family burdens for head. Please, my people, more than they appreciate you, our brothers and sisters with the Europe. Even Europe or America, Asia, all of them, or Australia, Canada, more than they appreciate them. It's not easy. It's not easy. Please, learn how to appreciate. More than learn how to appreciate. If you give a small thing, he pray for you, he go still get mind to give you another one next time. Don't be say go and say, sister, hey, now this one you bring up for me. This small thing you bring for me. What you want me to do? You know, the condition of Nigeria get us to be. You know the condition of the one where your sister did for Europe. So go see police now, they go wrong. So go see only siren just blow, they don't hear it because they don't get documents. But inside that stress, inside that pain, your sister go still take money, find money, can't give una money and take chop for us, una no go still appreciate. Which kind of heart be that now? I beg for those ones we be say they do before they don't tire. I beg. I will still beg all of you. Keep doing your good. Keep doing your kindness. Be kind. Continue to do your kindness. Continue to do good as today. Because now that one God they save you. Now God they save us. Oh. Continue to be good. Continue to be kind, please. Don't say because of say, hey, do you not go do again. No. Life not be like that. Because this life, anything where person so now in the reap. And then they do you say, they say now you they do. Now they accept that they do. I beg. Mona try to soften una heart. I know as they be. I've gone there, I've been there. I know as they be. So this life, I beg. Mona learn how to dey appreciate my people. You guys should learn how to appreciate. Appreciate one another. Appreciate little effort. You can't gesture. Just appreciate it. Please, guys. Please. We should learn how to appreciate. Please. I beg. Because people will not be grateful for little thing. How do you expect them to be grateful for big thing? Even they won't even get more. They don't even like to get that more power to do more again because they are tired. Because they don't get strength again to take do one. Because how somebody go just give family money, build house, wait for me, come you don't go see house. And you expect that person to look into that family again and say, brother, take or mama, take. They do you? No. They will not do it again. These people wake up in the morning, they run just to catch bus. When they're not late for work, if they go see this work, they go carry carton, they go carry this one, they go do this one, they go do this one, just to make sure say that at the end of the month they go see money to chop and to still bring for them for house. And these people pay bills. They pay light bill, they pay gas bill, they pay electricity bills, they pay even dustbin. Dustbin will take the throw away the thing, we they pay them. When I'm not sorry for person water, we they pay water bill. God bless Africa. We don't know what God do for us. Eh? These people where they still there, these are our brothers and sisters where they still there, Obodo Yibo. I beg, Mokuna they sorry for them. Please, Mokuna they try to they appreciate them. We understand. I beg. It's very, very good to be grateful, to they appreciate. You understand? Please, you guys should just be Mona they appreciate. I beg. I beg. Mona not they provoke these people for Europe. It's not easy for them. So I will leave you guys here. We can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Please, if you have not subscribed, try and subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.